Well, the dually is officially running with the correct fuel pressure, no exhaust leak, and sounds pretty good with the startup tune in there. So, you know, 6.0 sloppy stage 2 cam, nothing really big timing on it. I just fixed a water leak right there, and I just put the gauge on the fuel pressure regulator. So, yeah, dually's looking good. Maybe I can get some tuning tomorrow. Got a little bit of work to do in Georgia. Hopefully I can get back in time to get some tuning done on this thing. All right, follow along.